A. Lewis here. Welcome to National Craft Month. March is National Craft Month, and I am so excited for 2024. I hope that you are too. We're going to do a video a day. Some may be long, some may be short, some may be tutorials, some may be quick trip tips and tricks, some may be hauls. One thing for sure is I am participating in Paper Terrace Dollar Tree Junk Journal. And so I will be doing some videos for that as well. And you might get some ideas and how to create a junk journal on a budget and to think outside the box when you have limited supplies. So that's going to be fun too. So a lot of fun. I am doing a huge giveaway. So if you're new to my channel, I do giveaways every Friday because I appreciate all my subscribers. You do have to be a subscriber, but I try to celebrate you all the time because I appreciate you. And not only do I get to do something fun that I like to do, but I get to share it with you. And so that's why I appreciate you. Anyway, National Craft Month, also want to appreciate my subscribers. So I'm doing a big giveaway and I'm going to share everything that's going to be in the giveaway for March 31st. Now to enter, I'm going to give you the details, but they're linked below and they will be in this video. Every day this month you can participate and you can share the video and then enter again. So to enter, you do need to be a subscriber to my channel. You do need to be 18 or older and US or Canada only, so I have to limit that. You can enter every single day, and to enter, you must put the keywords. Let me find my keywords. Craft giveaway in the comments. So craft giveaway must be in the comments for the random comment picker to register that you're entering. And again, come back every day to this video and enter for National Craft Month. And as I said, March is National Craft Month, so it's going to be a fun one. So don't miss out. Okay. I'm going to go through all the prizes for this month and you are going to flip. It's going to be so fun. But today I'm not doing a craft today. I'm just going to share this video. But then also come back tonight because tonight is the Friday giveaway. So you don't want to miss that either. And that's separate. So just know. So I'm going to be giving away a number of things, but I want to show you them. There are 10 prizes and there are going to be 10 different winners. So one person will win one prize, not the whole group of things. So a winner for each prize. So the first thing that I want to show you is this cute Crafter's Companion, Nature's Garden Gnomes. This is a stamp and die set and adorable. So this is all what you get, plus you get the little stencil to change up how you decorate the little gnomes, and so you'll have fun with that. Okay, so that's one. So help me count. Number 2 is a set of Spectrum Noir 6 metallic markers. So the colors you get are here. And I'll read them to you. It is Antique Pearl, Vintage Satin, Silver. There is a silver. One moment, please. The letters are really little. Okay. Tarnished Silver, Rose Gold, Aged Copper, and Ancient Bronze. There are 2 nibs, so there's 2 nibs on there, and one is a little bit bigger, more marker type, and the other one is a smaller nib. So that will be a great set as well. I also am giving away a 12 roll set collection of washi, so they're all different, and they are unopened. So just know this one has some really fun pinks and blues with it. This one is the Marquee Love with the gold and a glitter green. And then this one has greens and pinks and little blacks with that. All right. Next prize are 3 rolls of deco mesh. There is the green, the red and silver, and then a red and green. So if you like to make wreaths or things like that with deco mesh, you'll want that prize right there. All right. Next, I am going to give away an inspiration magazine. Now, I'm not going to open it. It has not been opened. It's sealed, but it comes with more than just the magazine of ideas. It comes with all these little pieces, and usually 68 pages of inspiration. Sometimes, yeah, there are digital papers you can download. So anyway, lots of fun ideas in that to be had. Next is a set or a collection of stamp pads, a blending tool, and a vintage set of alpha stamps and alpha and number stamps. So vintage set there. The blending tool with an extra sponge, and then these different stamp pads. So you have this captivating coral, you have audacious orange, and pixie play. These are by Spellbinders, and they are, I believe they're acid free and all that. And then this one is a black, and I don't remember where I got this one. It may have come, I'm not sure. Anyway, I haven't used it. Underneath the pad, you have the place you can store maybe a stamping platform if you have a small one. All right, so those are all part of one set. Okay. Oh, I don't want to get that on anything. All right. Next, sorry, I gotta wipe my hands. You can tell I'm not cutting the video, am I? All right. Next, I have 2 different subscription boxes from Crafters Companion. So one set is box 42. This is the ribbon threader set. It makes up to 18 cards. It has metal dies, clear stamps, card blanks, envelopes, assorted ribbon, color card, and printed papers. So you get over 95 elements here with this prize. The other one I am giving away is number 50, and it is the paper piecing set. Okay, it is a subscription box. It has metal dies, clear stamps, card blanks, envelopes, sorted ribbon, dewdrops, colored card printed, and paper piecing hold and release sheets. Nice. All right, and that is over 200 elements. And then there's 2 more prizes. 1 winner each. One is my Junk Journal Junkie t-shirt. It is one size. I didn't order different sizes, so it is an extra large. If you are small and you win it and you don't want it, I understand. But you can use it as a sleeve shirt too. You can tuck it in. Anyway, so that is one prize. And then the very last prize is, well, I thought of you, and I thought sometimes you already have certain things. So I thought maybe you might want a $50 Amazon gift card to buy whatever craft supplies you want. So that is going to be our big prize this year. I hope you'll come back. I hope you'll participate. I feel like I kind of rushed it a little bit, but just know I hope that you will enjoy National Craft Month with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. And don't forget how to enter craft giveaway. Make sure you use those words. Craft giveaway. All the details are below. Thanks.